What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's video. I'm still wearing the same thing because I'm still filming these because I forgot to film them all. I'm a bad YouTuber. But anyway, video you're about to see, I didn't film like anything. The thing that sucks is my GoPro 360 camera just decided it didn't feel like working. So unfortunately all of them are going to be through this angle, or this camera through the sideline, but it's good enough. I'll put the times that I got up on the screen or something. But yeah, I hope you enjoy. Leave a like if you do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hopefully next autocross I'll be able to film it better because I'll kind of know like what's going on more. But yeah, other than that, see you in the video. Alright, welcome to the voiceover. I'm just gonna show you the course real quick with an image that I found on the internet of the racetrack that it was at. So this is the course, and the cones it's my best rendition of it. So the start line is technically up there. You have a little bit of a rolling start like this, and then you go around the big turn, and then there's the second entrance here, then you turn in to over there, then you come around here. These are a lot tighter. I didn't draw it very well because they weren't on the picture. You might be able to hear some squirrels right now. But then you go around the back straight, then you turn in here, and then you go back, and then you go across the finish line, and that's the course. And then you go up there and go back around. So yeah, that's the course that you'll see me running. But yeah, let's go into the first round. I know.
deja vu. I just been in this place before. Higher on the street and I know it's my time to go.
I think this is run number 5 for Blake. My defense, it was the first time I've ever driven that car.
Oh yeah, in
with
the Miata or the Mini? Oh no, I've done that in my Honda, my old Honda, and my old Miatas. I just thought the full 360 was impressive.
Yeah, especially when you show your son how to do it well.
This is what not to do.
Yeah. Yeah. That's an Evo 10, right?
Yeah.
So is that it's a flappy paddle?
No, it's a 5-speed.
Oh, it's a manual, okay.
Yeah, oh yeah.
I thought they only made those with that flappy paddle.
No.
I think so.
And welcome back yet again to me in this I haven't done anything, but yeah, so autocross was fun. I definitely improved a lot. I feel like you might be like, oh, he's just saying this, but I actually feel more confident as a driver now. Like I was just driving out today and was significantly less weird, I guess. I don't know. It's hard to explain without like just sounding like a complete dweeb. But yeah, autocross, super fun. Miata was excellent for it. Next month, I think, is going to be the next time I'm going to go back. I wish they did more, but with like COVID and stuff, they haven't been as frequent. But yeah, other than that, can't wait for next one. It's going to be fun. And I will see you guys then. Well, I don't know. I'll have a video next week. I'll probably do like polishing the headlights or something because I desperately need to do that. But yeah, until then, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment, do all that, you know, whole shebang. But until next time, I'll see you. Peace.